What's up guys? I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be taking a closer look at these complete insulation kits from QuietRide Solutions designed for the Fox Mustangs. All right, these complete interior insulation kits are definitely going to be for the Fox owner out there who is hot and heavy into an interior restoration. For those of you that follow the channel, Shannon used one of the hatchback kits for Uncle Ted's 85 ASC McLaren Capri. Shannon's end goal with the interior was the quietest Fox body that he'd ever sat in. So this kit paired with mass back carpeting, he was able to achieve the interior experience he was going for with Ted's Capri. So QuietRide Solutions complete insulation kits are a must-have for any of you out there that are looking for a legit insulation kit for your Fox body. Their insulation kits are designed to reduce road noise, reduce exhaust harmonics, eliminate mechanical noise, reduce radiated and reflective heat, all while providing a comfortable interior driving experience. Currently, we offer complete insulation kits for 79 to 93 coupe and hatchback cars, as well as 83 to 93 convertible cars. Each kit is custom tailored to each model, and all of the components are pre-packaged, indicating where their location is inside of the car. Now, the kit components will include pre-cut heat shield material that is comprised of an aluminum sheet that is laminated to a 3/8 thick FiberTech padding, which will allow for great reflection of heat and sound deadening. Throughout each individualized kit will be Dynamat damper pads, which will further reduce road noise and body panel vibrations. In each of the prepackaged kits will also be installation materials. These include a high-strength spray adhesive, aluminum tape, double-sided foam tape for various specified areas, and of course a sound deadening roller. Now, I'll be the first to tell you guys that these kits work very well and are easy to work with since the pieces are pre-cut. Now, I did take the time to weigh one of the kits intended for a coupe, and surprisingly enough, it only weighed about 33 pounds. This is invaluable information since a lot of Fox owners, for some reason, are concerned about the addition of weight. Me personally, I'll take the sacrifice of adding just a little bit of weight in exchange for a nice and quiet interior. And again, if you're deep in the restoration trenches on your Fox body, definitely consider adding one of these insulation kits to your list. Of course, for the most current product information, pricing, and the availability on anything you may have seen in this video, be sure and reference LMR.com. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to turn on those notifications. That way you're notified every time we release new content. Don't forget to check out our other videos, and for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.